New podcast user should 100% focus into words and sentences. Please listen the podcast till end, you might get some interesting information. Do you love the soothing aroma of mint and its cooling effect? Here is everything that you need to know about mint and its benefits. Mint is an everlasting plant that ranges from 10 to 15 different species, including peppermint and spearmint. It belongs to the Lamiaceae family of plants. Other notable cousins of mint include basil, oregano, rosemary, sage, etc. The pleasant aroma of mint is due to mentha, and the use of mint is wide-ranging. It is used in culinary as well as desserts and ice creams. In Sanskrit, mint is often known as Podina. This herb has a long history of being used as raw, in drinks, and many finished products. Nowadays, many brands of toothpaste, gums, and candies use peppermint oil for the cooling effect of this herb. Mint Margarita is a very famous drink that is offered at most 5-star restaurants. This herb is rich in many nutrients and serves as an antioxidant. Mentha in mint helps to cleanse and relax many body tissues. In this article, we are going to discuss the potential benefits of mint for the body. So let's get started. One. Antidepressant. Mint has a subtle aroma that helps in beating stress and anxiety. Strong adaptogenic properties of mint improve the body's cortisol level and help to calm your mind. Smelling mint releases small amounts of serotonin in your brain that serves as an instant antidepressant. 2. Relieve headache. Other benefits of the mint leaf are it helps in relieving your headaches. Now you know why there are many balms with mint in them. If any balm with mint oil is massaged on the forehead and nose, it helps clearing the nasal passage as well as gives calm soothing to the mind, and your headache is gone. 3. Treat common cold. If you have noticed that mostly inhalers are mint flavored, it is for the healing property of mint to treat the cold. The benefits of mint include clearing the nasal passage, bronchi, lungs, and throat. Its anti-inflammatory properties serve as a magic for your sore throat and chronic cough. So, mint can be your cold healer too. Four. Helps in digestion. Are you facing indigestion problems? Don't worry. I am going to surprise you by telling you that mint can help you here too. How? Menthol is an active agent in mint oil, and it has antibacterial properties that help to resolve your digestion woes. 5. Helps in weight loss. Are you wondering how mint improves your weight loss journey? As we just discussed that mint leaves are your digestion inhibitor. Mint has properties to catalyze your digestion enzymes. And that obviously means better metabolism. I guess you have tried mint detox water? No? It is a must try. Add mint, lemon slices, and a little piece of ginger to 1 jug of water. Keep it for 2 hours and then drink it as per your convenience or empty stomach. Wait for the magic to happen. 6. Mint benefits for skin. Are you depressed and hopeless because of your acne always come back? Mint leaf has long been used for treating acne and pimples. It has components that improve your skin health. The mint juice is used as a skin cleanser. whereas mint leaves have a high component of salicylic acid, which is beneficial in treating your never-going acne problems. The antioxidants present in mint helps you to get glowy skin with clear texture. Seven. Mint has a lot of benefits for your oral health. What I am going to tell you will make it clear to you that why every other toothpaste brand proudly tells mint is in their toothpaste. Yes. Mint is miraculously beneficial for your overall health. First of all, mint chewing gum can be a lifesaver for you when you have an important meeting. But at the same time, you can't risk making your wife angry by not eating gobi paratha. Mint's aroma in the chewing gum will instantly freshen your breath. Now let's get to its benefit for your oral health. The antibacterial properties of mint prevent bacteria growth inside your mouth. Moreover, it also inhibits plaque growth on your teeth. 8. Other benefits of mint leaves. The benefits of mint are not limited to the benefits listed here. Some other benefits of mint include treating asthma, morning sickness, and nausea. It also improves brain power and cognitive responses. That's why it is also used in shampoos. Final words. After knowing so many benefits of mint, you must be wishing to have mint as much as you can. So, you can add mint to flavor your routine culinary, make mint chutney, have mint smoothies, mint margarita, or mint ice cream. There is no limit to how you can add mint to your favorite foods and make them more aromatic and delicious. And to mention, you can have mint detox water too. Summers are already there, and you will never want to miss the fun of mint in your life. Before application, it is advisable to consult with doctor.